Hello again, this is Alex with MasterChartsTrading.com and this is market recap for Friday, December 27, 2019. As always, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel and share this video with others. Stocks are again pushing to all-time records. We'll see where the pullback, if it unfolds, where could it take it, the first support levels. Most sectors are at fresh records and this looks to me like a climb of the wall of worry, so to speak. And we'll see if there is a signs that pullback is brewing. Energy could actually just join the general stock market higher. We'll give a trade example, a recent trade in stock called Myokardia. In fact, I have a position still open, up over 32%. Then we'll look at junk bonds, and they are approaching records again, so this is good news for stocks. This is concerning, treasuries are concerning, they are also headed higher. We'll look at oil as the position is gaining nicely, and looks like dollar is finally making a strong move to the downside, and not much is happening to Bitcoin. Okay, so as always, I'm going to be using my own custom trading indicators. You can have the same trading indicators. Notice where I'm hovering, Master Charts Trading, price trading indicators. They are available. These four lines, the green, blue, red, and yellow lines, are available for TradingView.com interface. So all you have to do is go to Master Charts Trading, that's MasterChartsTrading.com, and then click on sign up and sign up for one of the trading services such as trading indicators or alerts and trading indicators. All right, so let's look at S&P 500. So S&P 500 again is at all-time record highs. This is great news. This is showing very strong appetite for risk and good bullish behavior. In other words, investors are thinking about buying. They're not thinking about shorting or selling. The support level I see right this instant is around 310. So that is around, that's the first support. That's around 4% down move. If that doesn't hold, an excellent support level is around 9% down, around 293. Uh, is it going to happen? Nobody knows really. So right this instant, what we're doing is we are enjoying the ride, we're advancing our stop. Same goes for QQQ, big gain, record highs. This is again an actual trade. The alert was sent here on June 4th, 2019, this year, and this alert was good for over 22% gain. So again, if you open, congratulations. Um, this is, big move. So again, a normal looking pullback would take it to around 203, which is not even that far. So that's around 5%. And an excellent support again is at around 11% down, around 190. Dow Jones, pretty much similar thing as the rest of the markets. Good support level is around 276 for Dow Jones DIA, and excellent support is at 264. Now, IWM, the small caps, so possibly bearish engulfing here, a little tiny bearish engulfing from today's candle, 27th of December. It's engulfing the previous candle completely. So maybe this is an outside reversal, or maybe it's nothing. If it pulls back, first support is 161. Few, but let me see, what, like 4% or so, 2%, 3% or so. So if that doesn't hold, again, excellent support is at blue line at 153. These indicators are mathematically calculated. They are not drawn by freehand. So that's why I like them to use. I like to use them so much, and we are programming them right now into an algorithmic trading and it is already, we have launched the robot already, so the robot is trading on its own. All right, let's look at treasuries now. Here is TLT. Here's TLT. Treasuries. Uh, treasuries are, they broke below the blue line, so this is the support level I'm referring to. But they're kind of trading back and forth here. So there is no clear uh, bearish indication yet. So it's possible that it's going to go still higher. And that would make sense because notice TYX, the 30-year Treasury yield, is at exactly the right level to bounce back. So in other words, if Treasury yield goes down, Treasury bonds go up in price. And this is exactly where I would be thinking about shorting this particular security. If you could trade it, you can't really trade it. So you have to trade TLT, the opposite. You have to, buy TLT basically. Uh, but I don't really, not really sure I want to be buying it. I want to see, wait and see where it goes. Overall, the bullishness is very pronounced for stocks, and junk bonds also are at 52-week highs, and junk bonds and stocks move together in lockstep. So overall, we are seeing significant bullishness, and this is, in my opinion, good news because we are long stocks, we're buying stocks. Some of the sectors that are also at records, XLY, this is consumer discretionary, this is the most sensitive economically, the most economically sensitive sector, XLY, consumer discretionary. Notice several alerts here, or at least one alert. One alert was sent in June of this year, good for a 14% gain for XLY, and it's currently at record highs. So again, this is good news, and this is bullish behavior. An even bigger move here for XLV, healthcare. Just look at this. Several alerts, the up arrows here, these are actual alerts again sent to my subscribers. Latest one here on 10th of September, good for over 13% gain. Overall, excellent looking charts. And then here's another one, XLP, consumer staples, right? This one is actually up over 17% uh, since the alert. The couple alerts, one was in February, one was in March. Yes, it's a defensive sector. Does it mean anything? Not really. I think it just means it's a stock sector, and stocks together with other stocks, move in lockstep, and this is what's happening. They're moving to all-time record highs in lockstep. Here's another one, XLB, basic materials. Again, several alerts here. Latest one was on the 3rd of September, and this one was good for over close to 10% gain. Again, congratulations to subscribers. So very simple trading. This is all I do. I look for a stock that has broken above the blue line and just look for a pullback. Or alternatively, we can look for a breakout above the blue line, for example, as in back in February, March of this year. Energy, XLE. So energy looks like it wants to go higher, and with oil moving higher, it would make sense for XLE to move higher. Approaching the breakout levels, I told my subscribers to watch for a breakout above the blue line. If or when it happens, we will start buying it. Right this instant, I just don't have any positions really. But overall, this is promising. Yeah, it could break higher easily. Here's one alert and an actual position. A couple of, actually a few alerts, but here's one. I myself bought this stock. Now again, this is 100% technical trading. I know absolutely nothing about what this company does. Myokardia, I mean, I know it's a biotech or some sort of a um, pharmaceutical firm, but I don't really care what they do. All I need to know is look at the price chart, and the price chart was clearly telling me to go ahead and buy. This is what I did on 16th of October, right there where I'm hovering. There's that breakout and an actual alert, and I entered myself at 56.36. Now I went, I kind of held through this drawdown, and then there was another opportunity, a couple of opportunities here, 15th of November and then 19th of November. 19th of November, I actually sent an alert, and it just took off. I did take some profits right there, a quarter of the position, just to feel better, basically. And then my stop is currently at the blue line, so I'm giving it quite a bit of room to fluctuate because sometimes they just keep going. I mean, it's already up 31%. I don't see why it cannot be up 100%. So let's just wait and see. And this is exactly what I do is I look for a breakout and I sit in the position. I buy and I sit in the position. So looking good. Let's continue waiting. Okay, I already covered junk bonds. All right, let's switch gears and look at dollar index. We will also look at oil. Let me look at oil um, briefly. Let me look at oil. Here is oil CL1 exclamation point. On the 7th of November, I actually went ahead and I opened the position in USO. I bought USO with an expectation of oil moving higher because USO is a derivative of oil. So far it's been working great. I already took profits and I advanced my stop, so I cannot lose on the position. But overall, oil seems to want to go higher. There seems to be a breakout, and yeah, I will be just holding this position and see if it's gonna go even higher. Okay, so next one, well, let's look at dollar, and dollar finally has experienced, well, there was a big spike on the 25th of December. This one was kind of difficult to explain because I didn't really see the similar spike on other currencies. But today's drop on 27th of December was definitely visible on other currencies. So the breakdown for the dollar index right there, I'm gonna mark it in the chart, occurred on the 12th of December. And from here on, I'm thinking that dollar has reversed to the downside. So it's possible it's going to continue higher. And looking at other currencies, here's, for example, euro. Euro is gaining strongly. Um, Notice the downward facing arrows, they're purple in color. That means that even though the signal was there, I didn't send an alert because I thought that dollar is turning around. So why would I want to play opposite? Why would I want to buy euro, or why would I want to sell euro versus US dollar in favor of US dollar if I want to see euro gain? So this is what's happening. I think finally euro is gaining, approaching the breakout level. And notice the way the indicators are curving down. This is making it easier for the price to get to the bullish levels. Bullish levels are currently at 1.12925. So a close above that level would indicate euro has finally turned around. Notice USD CHF, a huge move in our favor. This is 133 pips move. So again, congratulations if you opened this position USD CHF. Same goes for USD CAD, and you had several opportunities. And this is 172 pips again move in our favor. So again, congratulations. And yeah, it looks like the move is continuing. So overall, it looks like dollar has turned around and is heading lower. Finally, let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is doing absolutely nothing. That was my assessment. Okay, let's look. This is it for the recap for today. Head over to MasterChartsTrading.com, click on sign up, and then sign up for one of the services. So we have three services. One is alerts, which is basically a newsletter, a daily newsletter that I send out that has um, the actual alerts for my subscribers, as for example, MYOK. Myokardia, uh, this was several actual alerts sent to the subscribers, and you know, 31% is very nice gain. So these are the alerts. Then again, you can also get the trading indicators. Trading indicators are these lines, the green, blue, red, and yellow line. You can have them on your chart on TradingView account. And then again, for TradingView, you don't need a paid account. You can get a free TradingView account. All you need to do is sign up on my site, and I'll open the door for you. And of course, you can get both alerts and indicators. I think it's the best deal in a sense of not only you get the indicators to trade on your own, but you get tons of example every day. And I send a lot of examples and a lot of actual trades. So then you can not only trade on your own, but also get lots of examples. You can also ask me questions, and of course, I will answer them very quickly. Okay, that's it for today's recap. If you have any questions, please send them in. Thanks for watching. Have another great trading week. Bye bye.